fun.
How was your experience today?
It was great.
Interesting.
Thank
It was
you.
good. We learned a lot.
We learned a lot.
Learned a lot.
Learned a lot.
Dr. Worthington was great.
She was?
Yes.
So Bernice, do you feel like you learned a decent amount to take back to your beauty bar?
Absolutely. I felt surprisingly comfortable. It was easy. I thought I was gonna be like a little hesitant, but as soon as it was like I've done it before. It was really. I'm glad it was.
So would you guys recommend the course to others who want to get introduced to threadless?
Definitely.
I think this is a great intro course.
For sure.
Especially, like, and then it leaves you wanting more.